Want to factory reset your Toshiba Fire TV without the pin because you forgot it, or you got the TV with the pin enabled, or maybe your TV is unresponsive, so you have to reset your TV without the remote? Don't worry. Here's how to hard reset your Fire TV without the pin or the remote. First of all, you'll need to find your Fire TV's power button. For most models, it will be at the bottom panel, right below the power LED or infrared sensor. So after you've found the power button, what you need to do is unplug your TV's power cord, then hold down on the power button, and while holding it, plug the cord back into power. Don't release the power button and keep holding until the Fire TV logo appears. Here's the Toshiba Fire TV logo, so I'll let go of the button, and your TV will boot up in Android recovery. And you'll see the third option is wipe data/factory reset. To go down, short press the power button. And to select this option, you'll need to long press on the power button until it becomes green. Now you'll need to go down again and choose yes by holding down the power button. Now at the bottom, you'll see the format is complete. Now just select Reboot System Now to restart your TV, and you'll see the setup screen just like it was right out of the box. So now you can set it up and start using your Fire TV once again. Let us know if you found this helpful, and enjoy!